Hey, what time is it?
It's Kolohe time!
Oh, Kolohe time!
Yeah!
Oh, what is that?
It's one show!
One show?
Yeah, with Vaihi and the boys. Hey, come check them! Come check them out!
Aloha, no. Welcome to our show. It's great to stay
Yeah, never mind the phone.
and play all day. So make some noise.
What time is it?
It's Kolohe time!
Hey, what else you got on the show?
Bro, check this out.
Come along
Let's go!
and join our happy songs of 1, 2, 3 and ABC. So come and see.
What time is it?
It's Kolohe time!
That's right, brother. Come check it out and tell all your friends.
So come and see.
What time is it?
It's Kolohe time!
All right, let's go. Oh!
Aloha, kids, and welcome to Kolohe time.
We have so much to share,
Yep, and so much for you to see.
Hear and learn. Because learning is fun, right, Aaron?
Yes, and today we'll be learning about Laulima.
Check the gig, Laulima.
Laulima, 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 Laulima.
Laulima!
Here's the Laulima song.
And what the word means.
The word Laulima, Laulima. It's called Laulima. It means to cooperate. I said Laulima, helping others every day, working together is what Laulima means to me. Laulima. Laulima.
You can show Laulima by cooperating with each other.
You can show Laulima by helping each other.
Go! You can show Laulima by working together on almost anything.
Building now.
That's fun. Great job. Hey, good job, Pico. Huh? When we come back, we'll show you how Laulima made our family Paina a great success. Paina means party. Yeah! Don't go away. We'll be right back. What time is it?
It's Kolohe time!
Hey, Bruce's family is visiting us this weekend. We should throw a Paina, a party.
Yeah.
Pico, why don't you organize it? Huh?
Yeah.
I have the best music, the best food, friends, and decorations.
Okay.
Oh, it'll be so much fun! Yeah! Oh, speaking of fun, look, the waves, they're up. You guys want to go to the beach?
Yeah.
Let's go!
Hey, wait, I need help. Guys! I need some help. I know. I'll ask Maka the Menehune. He'll know what to do. I'll go call him on my cell phone. Whew, my cell phone. Now I can call Maka the Menehune. Maka. Maka, are you there? Hello, Maka. This is Pico. I need your help.
Oh, hello, Pico. How can I help you?
Well, I'm supposed to put on a big paina party for Bruce's family. They're coming to visit us.
That's nice.
Yeah, but I'm the only one putting it all together.
Pico, that will take a lot of work, and you definitely need help.
Yes, I know. That's why I'm calling you. What should I do?
You should do it the Laulima way, having everyone pitch in and help. That's the best way. You should call in the rest of the Kolohe tribe and designate certain responsibilities to make it all happen. Working together is always the best way. It's the Laulima way.
Thank you, Maka. I'll call them now.
I'm always here for you, Pico. Now, I'm going for a swim at the waterfall. So cold, but so good for the circulation. Aloha.
Mahalo, Maka. Whew. I have to call Aaron. I wonder what his show number is. Aaron, can you hear me?
Hello?
Aaron, I need everyone's help. To make this party a success, we need to work together.
Like what?
Like Laulima. Everyone needs to pitch in to make this party great. So get everyone on their cell phones.
Hey guys, cell phones. Let's forward a call.
What's up, Pico?
I need all your help. Sam,
Yes?
I need you to take care of the food for the party.
Okay.
Bruce, I need you to take care of the decorations.
You got it, Pico.
Aaron, I need you to take care of the music.
You got it. We're headed back right now.
Good.
What time is it? It's Kolohe time!
Stay right there. You don't want to miss the party. Laulima has made this a great celebration, Pico.
Yeah, we all worked together and look how well everything turned out.
Hey, let's do our paina song, okay?
Okay.
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 My cousin, he's playing the ukulele. The brothers are playing guitar and bass. My aunties and my uncles are singing. And Tutu's got a smile on her face. My mother, she's cooking in the kitchen. My niece and nephews running around. People are coming from all over to be with us in a country town. Cause we're jamming, Hawaiian music, reggae music, whoa, 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 whoa. Sammy, he's counting all the cookies. Pico's trying to hide all the cake. Enjoying the fun and all the laughter. All the children stuffing their face. Tutu is teaching all the keikis stories of Hawaiian. Lessons to share with one another. Values in a Hawaiian way. Cause we're learning in Hawaii. Hawaiian values. Hawaiian stories. Whoa, 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 whoa. Cause we're learning in Hawaii. All of the keiki. Hawaiian values. Whoa, 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 whoa. Cause we're learning.
We all need to cooperate and do our part, keep where we live nice and clean. And here in Hawaii, that means both the land and the sea. So whether it be our homes, parks, or school campuses, we all need to work together to keep Hawaii clean and beautiful.
Everything turned out fantastic. Thank you guys so much for your help. Bruce, the decorations were beautiful. Sam, the food was excellent. Aaron, the music, number one.
And we couldn't have done it without working together.
Yeah. Ooh, hey, is there any more yatai sushi?
No, Sam. No.
And what did we learn today?
We learn what Laulima means.
Laulima.
Laulima. Laulima. Laulima. Laulima. Laulima. Cooperation. Cooperation. Laulima. It's a cooperation. Working together. Working together. Working together.
And how do you spell Laulima?
Laulima.
Yes, Laulima can create more than just a great party. It can create a cleaner environment.
A safe and secure community.
A unified team effort in anything.
Oh, we like Laulima. Everyone working together and making this a better place. And that's what we do here on
What time is it?
It's Kolohe time! And that's it for our show. It's great to stay and play all day. So make some noise.
What time is it?